Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Malabrigo Rasta. Oh, Malabrigo Rasta. If you've worked with it, you'll love it. If you haven't, you should. You'll love it. This is one of those super bulky yarns that you see in all of the popular hats every winter that's popping up all over everybody's Instagram feed. And it's so squishy and wonderful. I know my colleague Jenny is not a fan of the word squishy, but I am. And it perfectly describes this yarn. It's so lofty. There's so much air trapped in that fiber. I mean, it just begs to be hugged. It's like Squishmallows for us yarnies. It's the stuffed animal that you just love and adore. And you can make things out of it. Like our basic colorwork hat. So this pattern from us uses 2 skeins of the Malabrigo Rasta, and you want 2 that have a little bit of contrast to them. And the pattern, when you get those 2 skeins, you can make 2 hats out of it, and it's so squishy. There's that word again. It's so squishy. And the colors are just gorgeous. So these are all hand-dyed colors. You'll get some that have bits and speckles of colors, lots of different pops of colors. And then you have some of their colors are much softer with more of like a watercolor effect. And so you can put those together and you can see where that pink lives sort of just at the edges of this purple, just in there in the blues. And so those would work well together. And this orange is my favorite color, but this is, woo, chef's kiss. And it would work beautifully with that. So there's lots of different colors to choose from. You can make more than hats. They make great cowls. There's some great shawl and sweater patterns out there for Malabrigo Rasta. You can check out the Malabrigo Rasta book. That's full of patterns as well. So lots of choices. And if you don't need to be tied to a pattern, some of us are just adventurous and we'll just wing it. This is great for whatever crochet or knitting inspiration hits you for a super bulky or chunky yarn. One other thing I did want to mention when you're making hats is our beanie blocker. It's a little bit crinkly here to get it out of the package. So our new beanie blocker, and that's funky, it looks backwards, right? That's because there's this protective paper coating on the back. And so when you get this home, you'll want to peel it off and then everything will be right facing. But this is a great way for you to block your hats. You just soak your hat or mist your hat. You can pop it onto the beanie blocker. And then it's got these great little feet that you slide right in. All of these nice little holes means you've got nice airflow. Set it and forget it. Let it dry and it'll be ready to wear. What are you gonna make with Malabrigo Rasta?